I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Kia Sportage trunk. First, let's talk about the key fob. It's super convenient. Simply press and hold the trunk release button on your fob for about 3 seconds. You'll hear a click and the tailgate will unlatch. Then you can easily lift it open. This method is perfect when you're approaching your vehicle with your hands full. Next, let's look at opening the trunk from inside your Sportage. You'll find a dedicated trunk release button, usually located on the driver's side dashboard, often near the steering wheel or door panel. Just give that button a firm press, and the rear tailgate will unlatch. This is handy when you're already in the car and need to access the cargo area quickly. For ultimate convenience, many Kia Sportage models offer a smart tailgate feature. If your vehicle has this, simply stand directly behind the tailgate with your smart key in your pocket or bag. After about 3 seconds, the tailgate will sense your presence and automatically open for you. It's a fantastic hands-free option, especially when your arms are full of groceries or gear. Finally, let's cover manual and emergency access. If your vehicle's battery is dead, you can use the mechanical key hidden inside your key fob. Look for a small keyhole, often near the license plate light, to manually unlock the trunk. Also, for safety, there's an emergency release lever inside the trunk itself, usually a glow-in-the-dark handle, for anyone who might accidentally get trapped.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.